one-on-one pay-per-view victories over Brock Lesnar. That's John Cena. Goldberg looks to do it tonight. And Brock Lesnar looking to establish dominance. And Goldberg dropping Lesnar.
Goldberg was unfazed.
And Lesnar couldn't believe it. A look of shock in the eyes of the beast who is planted by Goldberg.
No fear from Goldberg.
A spear! Goldberg hit Lesnar with a spear! A spear from out of nowhere!
Goldberg may shock the world. Goldberg looking to end this early.
Lesnar's hurt! Lesnar's hurt! Goldberg again with a spear! 2 spears to Lesnar! Brock's in trouble! Brock's in trouble!
I don't think anybody expected this sort of dominance right out of the gate from Goldberg. The Beast may be on the verge of getting slayed.
What an incredible moment here! Lesnar trying to catch his breath, trying to make it to his feet.
The Icon is stalking the Beast incarnate.
Lesnar can't even get up. Goldberg again. He's got Lesnar center of the ring.
Goldberg's looking for a jackhammer.
He's looking for the jackhammer. Goldberg looking for the jackhammer. A jackhammer to Lesnar. Here's the cover. Oh my God! Goldberg beat Brock.
Here is your winner, Goldberg.
A monumental upset. After 12 years, Goldberg returns to the ring and absolutely destroys the Beast.
I cannot believe what I just witnessed. You and me both. Goldberg said he had one last jackhammer, and that one last jackhammer was good enough to pin Brock Lesnar. The entire world has got to be in shock right now.
Brock Lesnar didn't muster one offensive move in that match.
This is unprecedented.
This is how the match started. Brock Lesnar trying to establish dominance early, but that was it. That's all Brock would do because Goldberg would first drop Lesnar.
You've got to think that Brock Lesnar,
the face of Brock Lesnar.
Brock Lesnar came into this fight overconfident.
Spear by Goldberg.
Goldberg made him pay.
And then a second spear.
Goldberg's focus, his intensity never changed from the moment the bell rang in this match. And this guy's, we said it, surreal jackhammer delivered emphatically in the center of the ring. And Goldberg has just dismissed the challenge of the Beast.
Goldberg said he wanted his son to see him in action one time in his career. There is his son. Goldberg celebrates tonight. His entire family here to watch Goldberg make history. He joins John Cena as the only man to have beaten Brock Lesnar one-on-one in 2 pay-per-view events.
Goldberg said he missed being a superhero to the kids, to his family.
He was a superhero tonight, Corey.
You're absolutely right, he was.
I'm in absolute shock. Brock Lesnar is the man who defeated The Undertaker and ended the undefeated streak at WrestleMania. He's the man who I sat out here and watched him destroy John Cena one night. Brock Lesnar has done everything in this industry, and he was decimated tonight by Goldberg.
Take another look at this. Goldberg sizing up Lesnar, delivering a spear. And Brock was clearly hurt. That first spear. Last time you saw Brock Lesnar in danger, in pain, suffering. First spear had to break a rib of Lesnar, and if the first spear didn't, the jackhammer may have.
Guys, this is monumental any way you look at it. Goldberg has not been in a match in 12 years.
See Goldberg bringing his son Gage into the ring to celebrate.
And what a moment for Goldberg and his family.
There's Goldberg's muse, his inspiration, his son. With the right sort of inspiration, men can do superhuman things. You know, on September 22nd, 1997, Goldberg began a streak that would shock the world. Well, here we stand, November 20th, 2016, and Goldberg has shocked the world again.
We leave you with that moment. Thank you for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. for the 30th annual Survivor Series. Good night from Toronto.